Italians don't just make cars, they create emotions. And this is the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider. When Fiat first unleashed the 124 Spider, they did more than just create a car. They ignited a spirit of freedom on the road, a spirit that still whispers through the streets of Italy. And now in 2026, Fiat is ready to breathe new life into this iconic roadster, blending the magic of its heritage with the boldness of modern engineering. The 2026 Fiat 124 Spider is poised to carry on the proud legacy of the original. With a perfect blend of classic roadster charm and cutting-edge performance, this car promises to deliver that same iconic driving experience, but with a twist of innovation. Design. From the first glance, the 124 Spider shows that it hasn't forgotten its roots. The quintessential roadster profile is alive and well. Compact, low-slung, with a bold, muscular stance. It's the car you feel, not just see. Its aggressive front grille with larger air intakes promises better engine cooling and improved aerodynamics, while LED headlights brighten the road ahead with a touch of modern brilliance. As we move back, the sculpted body lines convey a sense of fluidity, as if the car itself is in motion even when stationary. Fiat's designers have perfected the art of adding light-catching curves to the sides, making sure every angle feels alive with the spirit of speed. It's a roadster that celebrates both strength and grace, embodying the timeless allure of Italian design. And the rear? Classic Fiat. The horizontal taillights get a modern update with LED technology, adding a touch of elegance while retaining the essence of the 124's legendary look. Combine that with a possible integrated spoiler or slightly raised rear deck, and the 124 Spider's athletic form feels like it was built for the racetrack. Performance. The 2026 Fiat 124 Spider isn't just about looks, it's about how it feels behind the wheel. With its turbocharged engine, this roadster delivers a drive that's as agile and responsive as ever, keeping its charming handling qualities while embracing modern performance standards. Fiat's engineers are taking steps to make sure this 124 Spider is eco-friendly, without compromising on the excitement. A mild hybrid engine, possibly with 1.3-liter or 1.5-liter displacement, could be paired with a turbocharged inline-4 engine ranging from 1.4-liter to 2.0-liter. Expect around 170 to 220 horsepower, offering a balance of raw power and fuel efficiency for those who want to feel the thrill of the road while being mindful of the planet. The 124 Spider could also feature plug-in hybrid options for a greener driving experience, giving you the freedom of the open road with the future of sustainable driving. Pricing and availability. Though we don't have the exact numbers just yet, it's safe to assume that the base model of the 2026 Fiat 124 Spider will start around $28,000, with higher trim levels pushing into the mid-$30,000 range. For those craving that outdoor, wind-in-your-hair driving experience with Italian flair, the Fiat 124 Spider will hit dealerships around 2025 or 2026, bringing the spirit of the open road back to life. Legacy and future. Fiat's heritage is rich, but the 124 Spider is not about looking backward. It's about embracing the future, blending timeless beauty with cutting-edge technology and bringing Italian craftsmanship into the modern age. Whether you're cruising down the coast or taking a thrilling twist on a mountain road, the Fiat 124 Spider isn't just a car, it's an experience. One that speaks to your soul, invites you to live in the moment, and reminds you that sometimes the best way to drive is with passion.